Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss joint venture account, method, separate set of books, illustration 3, page 352. SD and SG entered into a joint venture to construct a building for a new company. Profit and losses were to be shares in the ratio of 3 proportion 2. SD invested rupees 2 lakh and SG rupees 1 lakh. The money was deposited to bank account with arrangement of an overdraft. SD also supplies material valued rupees 35,000 and SG paid the article fees 15,000. SG also provide a machine valued rupees 25,000. Building material valued rupees 4 lakh and wages rupees 1 lakh were met from the joint bank account. On the completion of the construction, the company paid rupees 8 lakh, out of which rupees 4 lakh was in cash deposited into joint bank account, and the balance of rupees 4 lakh was in fully paid shares of rupees 10 each. These shares were sold at rupees 9.5 each, and the proceeds taken by SD and SG in the ratio of proportion 3 proportion 1. The machine supplied by the SG was taken back by him at an agreed value of rupees 15,000. Bank charge interest rupees 1,000 for the overdraft. Prepare the necessary ledger accounts. First, we pass the journal entries and then posting into the ledger. First, there is an agreement of 8 lakh to construct a building. First, we pass the entries. New company account debit 8 lakhs, joint venture account credit 8 lakhs. Next, contribution by the co-venturers, joint bank account debit 3 lakh, SD credit 2 lakh, SG credit 1 lakh. Next, SD supplies material है, SG architect fees, entry joint venture account debit 50,000, SD 35,000, SG 15,000. SG also supplies machine. Entries joint venture account debit 25,000, SG credit 25,000. Next, building material value rupees 4 lakh and wages rupees 1 lakh were met from the joint bank account. Joint venture account debit 5 lakhs, joint bank account credit 5 lakhs. Next, on the completion, cash and shares were received from the new company. 4 lakhs coming in cash and 4 lakhs in shares. Joint bank account debit 4 lakh, shares in new company debit 4 lakh, joint venture account credit 8 lakh. Now they sold the shares. Total value of shares is 4 lakh at the rate rupees 10 each. Now divided by 10, there are 40,000 shares. 40,000 shares. 40,000 shares sold at the rate 9.5 यहाँ 50 पैसे डिस्काउंट पे वो बेच रहे हैं, तो ये नुकसान है। 40,000 को 50 पैसे से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो यहाँ 20,000 का नुकसान हो गया। रिमेनिंग अमाउंट जो उन्होंने वसूल की है वो है 3,80,000। तो ये 3,80,000 है, ये 3 और 1 की रेशो से ये टेक ओवर कर रहे हैं। तो हम एंट्री पास करेंगे, एस जी डेबिट 2,85,000, एस जी डेबिट 95,000, joint venture account debit 20,000, shares in new company credit 4 lakh. Remaining machine take back by SG at value of rupees 15,000. SG debit 15,000 and joint venture credit 15,000. At the end, bank charge interest 1,000. Entries joint venture debit, joint bank credit 1,000. Now, for profit and loss, we prepare the joint venture account. In joint venture account, first credit side, new company 8 lakh. In the debit side, co-venturers SD 35, SG 15, outer में 50,000. Next, SG supplies machine, debit side 25,000. Next, joint bank building material 4 lakh, wages 1 lakh, total 5 lakh. Next, loss on the debit side, shares in new company 20,000. On credit side, SG 15,000. On debit side, interest on draft joint bank 1,000. Now we balancing the joint venture account. Credit side is greater than the debit side. There is a profit 2,19,000, which is divided among the co-venturers with the ratio of 3:2. Entry is joint venture debit 2,19,000, SD credit 1,31,400, SG 87,600. Now we prepare the next account, shares in new company. In shares in new companies, debit new companies 4 lakh. On the credit side, co-venturers SD and SG 3,80,000. Next, joint venture loss 20,000. The account closed. Next, we prepare the co-venturer account. In co-ventures, credit side SD and SG, joint bank 2 lakh SD, 1 lakh SG, and then again joint venture credit side 35,000, 15,000, then again joint venture credit side SG 25,000, and debit side shares in new companies SD 2,85,000, SG 95,000, and debit side SG joint venture 15,000. On credit side, profit joint venture account 1,31,400 and 87,600. And their balances are credit. Now we prepare the joint bank account. Joint bank account debit side SD and SG 2 lakh, 1 lakh, total 3 lakh, and credit side joint venture account building 4 lakh, wages 1 lakh, total 5 lakh. Debit side new company 4 lakh, credit side interest on overdraft 1,000. Now the balance is 1,99,000. If we total the co-ventures account, their balance also 1,99,000, same balance. Now by paying through joint bank account, these all accounts were closed. SD debit 81,400, SG debit 1,17,600. Joint bank account credit 1,99,000. By passing this entry, all the accounts will be closed.